Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on how to add Google Analytics to Google Sites. In this tutorial, we'll be making everything a breeze and easy to understand, so at the end you can do this yourself. We will be making use of two Google Sites. The first is sites.google.com, which we're currently on, and analytics.google.com. So first we want to get our site. But before we proceed, we need to make sure that we're using the same account on Google Sites and Google Analytics. So be sure that it's the same. For this tutorial, we're going to be creating our site, and to speed up the process, we will be selecting a template from the gallery. At the top here, you have the template gallery and we're going to expand it. Now there are lots of options here. You have under work, small business, education and others. So we're going to go ahead and select an option. We're going to choose a salon. And now this takes us to the edit page of our website. On the right side, we have the edit options where we can add images, text, make some content blocks, and other things that we can use to make our website beautiful. Our main focus is not to create a website, but we're trying to show you how you can add Google Analytics to your website. So we have a website. We're going to go over to the top right area where we have these different options. Go ahead and select the gear icon, which is for settings, and we're going to click on it. Now on this pop-up, you have different options such as navigation, brand images, viewer tools, custom domains, analytics, and announcement banner. Our interest is in analytics, so we're going to click on it. And after selecting analytics, we have just one option here which we can toggle on or off, and it's called Enable Analytics. So our goal here is to enable analytics on our Google site. In order to do this, we will be creating a new tab where we're going to search for analytics.google.com. So here on analytics.google.com, you can see at the top right, we're having the same icon and the same account as our sites.google.com. So both sites can work together. Now, if you're doing this for the first time, you might need to sign in using your Google account, so make sure to do that, or the page might be different. However, the main goal is to sign in and get to your admin page. Now, when you're here, you're going to come over to the bottom left area where you have the gear icon, and when you hover over it, it's going to expand. Click on it, and if nothing happens, you just need to move over to this arrow right here and click on it so you can have more of an expansion. Now there are many options here. We're just going to go ahead and select create, and then you have account and property. We're going to select account. So this is a 5-step process, as you can see at the top right here. And the first thing we need to do for the first step is the account details. You have account name, which is required, and it says accounts can contain more than one measurement ID. So we're going to put in an account name. So we have the name of our account, Salon Fair. And we're going to scroll down, and you have some options here to take. You can read through them, and they're basically optional. We're going to scroll down and come to next and click on it. And here you have a property name. You have to give it a property name as this is required. Now this property name is the same as what we had before, so we're going to basically put it again. So after the property name, you have the reporting time zone and the currency, which you can change to any one you want. And then we're going to click on next. So right here under industry category, which is required, we're going to click on the drop down, and we have beauty and fitness, right? So it's a salon fair, and we have beauty and fitness. Business size is required, so we can say small, 1 to 10 employees, and click on next. And now we're on the fourth stage, which is business objectives. So you have to provide your business objectives to help the analytics make the processes easier for you. We're going to click on leads, sales, traffic, and if you're not sure, you can simply click on others, as it says multiple types of reports. Basically, this option can't be combined with other options. So we're going to have these three. Of course, we could go with all four, but we're just going with these three for this tutorial. So at this point, we've been able to do account creation, property creation, business details, and business objectives. You guessed it, the next step would be data collection. So we're going to click on create. And here it says to use Google Analytics, you must first accept the terms of service agreement for your country or region. So you have to select the appropriate country. We're using the United States. You get to read all of this and then check the box I also accept data processing terms as required by the GDPR. As that has been checked, the accept is ready to be clicked on. We're going to click on it. As you can see, account and property created. And now we're on our fifth stage, which is the collection of data. So on this page, what we're going to select is to click on web. And in order to do this, we need to go over to our Google site. So here we're going to close this and we need to copy the link of our published site. Now this currently looks disabled because we've not yet published our site. In order to fix this, we need to click on publish, give our site a name, and you can see underneath it sites.google.com/view/Salon Fair. We're going to be making use of the free Google domain. So we're going to click on publish. And now you can see that the copy link for this published site is now enabled. When we click on it, so right now you can see publish site link. We're going to click on copy link. And with this copy to our clipboard, we're going to go back to analytics.google.com. Then we're going to paste it right here. And it says valid website URL is required. And this is because it has the prefix already. So we're going to delete this. And this looks better. Then we're going to put our website name. Again, it's Salon Fair. And this is what it's going to be measuring: page views, scrolls, outbound clicks, and 4 others. We're going to click on create and continue. Now, after we did that, we can see this pop-up called installation instructions. Now, this is a Google tag which we can have to put on our website. Now, this helps in tracking your website as it corresponds with your Google Analytics. Now, what you need to do is to recognize this as an embedded code, copy this by going to the top right corner, and you can see text copy to clipboard. Then you're going to go over to your website, and then at the top, click on embed, then select embed code, paste it here, click on next, and click on insert. Now, this has added a tag to our website from Google Analytics. So here we get to see our stream name, the stream URL, and the stream ID. We also can see the measurement ID, and we're going to copy it. After copying it, we're going to go back to our Google Sites, click on settings at the top right area, select analytics once again. Then we're going to put in the measurement ID, and that automatically toggles on our enable analytics button. Then we're going to press on the X to close it. And here you can see site analytics active. So now that that's done, we're going to go over to publish, click on it, click on got it, click on publish again, and you can see website publishing. Now this website has been published, but we're going to go back again to this button, but this time we're going to click on the drop down, and then we're going to see view published site. We're going to click on view published site. And basically, because we've been able to add our Google Analytics to our Google website, we're just going to make some browsing through this website. We're doing this so we can show you that Google Analytics is tracking the visits to this website. So we're currently on home. We can scroll down, go over to contact. So here we're in contacts, and we're going to go to about just to create a track record that we're moving on the website. So now we're going to move over to our analytics page. We're going to close this, click on next, and then you can see data collection is pending. And this is because we just created it, and it says you successfully created your account and property. It may take up to 48 hours before your property starts collecting data. And before clicking continue to home, we have 2 options here. Download the Android mobile app or the iOS mobile app so you can track the web activity for your website. We're going to click on continue to home, and you can see your data collection is active. It may take up to 24 hours to appear on your analytics account. So this means that our Google Analytics has been successfully connected to our Google sites. And you can see 1 active user in the last 13 minutes, which is great. So all these details will help you to know where your visitors are coming from. For example, with just 1 visit, you can see the country. And if you want to have a real-time view, you can click on view real time. And here you can have more details. So we've been able to show you how you can connect your Google Analytics to your Google site. All the steps have been shown in this video, and when you follow through, you will be able to successfully do the same. So go ahead and apply these steps, make a success of this process, and thanks for watching.